In this tutorial, we're going to start working with GEM, Graphics Environment for Multimedia. And what we have to learn first is which objects to use to start working in GEM. And we need a window. What we need is the gemwindow object. And what this does is, gemwin, this object creates a window that allows us to see all the graphics, visuals, videos that we're working with. Without the gemwin object, we won't be able to see anything we've made, so it's pointless. So every patch that you work in that uses graphics has to have a gemwin object. Now, it's not enough just to have the object, because we have to actually create the object, or we have to tell the object to create the window. So to do so, we send the object the create message. So go to the push menu, pick message, and pick create, or write create. I'll connect it to the gemwin object, go to play mode, and click create. And we can see here that a window has been created. Within GEM, though, to work correctly, every time we create a window, we also have to destroy it. And I put another message, destroy. And I'll connect it to GEM. I'll go back to my play mode and click destroy, and we see the window has disappeared. If I click create again, we'll see that the window has been created. We can't see anything because I haven't added any visuals. But there's something else that we have to do, is we have to send the object or the window a 1 or a 0, which essentially a 1, if we send the object gemwin a 1, we turn it on and we tell it to start processing video or start rendering. If we send it a 0, that's the same as sending it a turn off message, and we say stop rendering video. So if we have video or images and we want GEM to draw those images to the screen, we have to send it a 1. So there's a few ways we can send it a 1 or a 0. We could put a number box, and I can connect it. 0 is go to play mode, and I can scroll up to 1. I need to just send it 1, and then I can scroll to 0. Okay, the number box handles a lot more numbers, so it only works with 1 and 0s. So this probably isn't the best way to do it. What we can also put is a toggle. Put toggle, and what a toggle does is when it's turned on it sends a 1, and when it's turned off it sends a 0. So it only ever sends a 1 and a 0, and it's used to turn objects on and off. If I connect it to the number box, you'll actually see what I mean. If I go to play mode and I turn toggle on, well, nothing changes because we see a 1. A 1 was already there. But if I turn it off, we can see it sends a 0, which then goes to the gem window. And if I turn it on again, it sends a 1. And we can see here in the PD window, every time I've sent it a 1, it says start rendering, and every time I send it a 0, it says stop rendering. So I sent it a 1, start rendering. I sent it a 0, stop rendering. So this gem window here creates the basis of every gem patch, because this is where I see all the visuals that I make.